What's up, folks? Today we got a steel mill slag vehicle. A guy that works at the steel mill in my local area brought me this vehicle. No one else would touch it with a 10-foot pole. Simply using Awesome on the leather. The actual D&W, the store that I usually get my interior cleaner from, was not open today, as this was a Sunday. I had to keep it, over the weekend because the outside was horrendous. If you think the inside is bad, you should see the outside. Check out some of my other videos if you want to see the slag removal from the undercarriage. Just speaks for itself. The dirty ass leather seat. Apply the Awesome. Diluted, of course. You don't want to put it straight on there. It could remove the dye from the leather. You keep on keeping it moist. Keep it wet. That way it doesn't burn it. Go over it evenly. Wipe as you go. Sometimes you may have to get a little splatter. Clean seats before the rest of the detail.